Okay, I'm down at the third. Look at that. Alright, and what happened down here? I was going to have a whole bunch more spinach for the kids to eat, but it kind of looks like that got mowed down with my beets. Beets are gone. Spinach, well, who knows, it might come back. No, these potatoes got pretty well wiped. I don't know. We'll see what happens. And there's this corn. There's my tomatoes. Well, they might be okay. They might come back. I have no idea what this corn's going to do. Oh, my sunflowers. I didn't even look at the other ones. These ones are done. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, and this green here is not weeds. That's branches and leaves.